Alright, welcome back everybody. It's late at night here. Just going to try to do a quick video. I'm working on our gas grill at my house. It's a Nexgrill. I don't know what model number or anything. Propane grill. Having a problem right now. I don't know how much the camera's picking it up here. Let me turn the light off and maybe it'll pick it up better. So I got the burners are all on high right now, and they're just barely coming out. All the burners are the same. They're just, you probably really can't see much in the camera at all. I was hoping it'd pick it up better at night, but it doesn't really look like it. So there's barely any flame coming out of all the burners. So I'm assuming it's a problem with the regulator. I've tried changing propane tanks. The tank is full, it's on all the way, all that stuff. So I'm just going to try changing out the regulator on the bottom, and let's see if I can get a shot. So the fitting that's right here goes down to the regulator that connects onto the tank here. So I'm just going to replace that whole line. It was like 10 bucks off Amazon, so I'm just going to replace the whole line. That fitting is on there pretty tight, so I'm going to get that off and then I'll get it replaced and then turn the phone back on here, so because I do not have a third hand to hold the phone while I'm doing this. You can't really get in there with a regular wrench, so I think what I'm going to use, I have a crowfoot on here. It's a 3/4 inch crowfoot, 3/8 drive ratchet with an extension. I think that should work. But I am going to do that, and then I'll turn the phone back on. Alright, we're back. Hopefully everybody can see the burners are nice and flamey now. So yeah, I can even take the light away. I got all of them on high now. Flames are shooting up nice. Don't know what happened with the regulator. Hadn't used the grill for a little while, and like I said, my fiance went out to cook the one night and the burners wouldn't come on hardly at all. Here is the old regulator. I don't know, what, 1.5 foot hose, something like that. Not even. I got a longer hose when I bought this one. You can kind of see it curls around here a little bit. And then, see if I can get the shed here. You can see it goes up and connects. And I did take some soapy water, sprayed on that connection, and sprayed all around the new regulator and connection here, just to make sure nothing was leaking. Actually, you can still see a little bit of soapy water dripping off the bottom. It is about 30 degrees right now outside, so that probably will freeze, so I didn't use too much, but enough to know that it works fine. So I will put a link down below for the regulator I got here. I'll do 2 links. This one's a straight one, and it's a longer hose because we have this little thing that pulls out for our tank, and I wanted to make sure that it was long enough when I pulled the tank out that it wouldn't get too tight on it. And then I'll do one for a right angle one, or 90-degree one. So didn't really do any diagnosing on this, just kind of common sense. I figured the regulator is the only thing that really could be causing all the burners to fail at the same time and not work, so I figured I'd try it for 10, 12 bucks, whatever it was. But it seems to be working good. So if anybody's got any other questions, please let me know, and I'll talk to everybody later. Thanks for watching.